Hello guys, welcome back to another video of
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're joined with La. She's interested to see where all my money went, so we're going to do an unboxing today, and I'm going to show her where the parts will come, so she will learn something new. She's going to help me film stuff, so it will be easier for me to show you where the parts go, so you get a better picture. Okay guys, so this is the first part, the rear spring seat. This is actually where the bottom end of the spring goes. Like that. It will have to be modified because the drivetrain goes through, but it's not a serious modification, so it should be fine. This next bit here is the end of the quarter panel rear. This bit here comes mounted like this, and this big piece here is the bottom portion of the rear panel. So the parts you just saw are from company GMT. These next parts are from Germany, from the shop called Opel Manta online shop. I was very satisfied with the customer service, but now we're going to check out how the parts are. This is the rear floor panel on the passenger side. Next up we have this is the inner arch on the driver's side. This is a two-part assembly, with this being the inner part of the rear arch. It's covered with a cover plate that we already got with the car. Okay, next up we have something. So this is the passenger side A-pillar cover plate. This is actually where the door hinges go. That's where stuff! This is the A-pillar inner plate. This is the passenger side floor panel on the front. This is how the rear portion and the front portion are mounted together. Okay. Now it's time for the big boy. First things first. Here is the passenger side inner arch. As you see, it has a hole for the fuel line to go in. This here is the wing mounting portion on the passenger side. Okay. Here we have the driver's side rear sheet metal. This bit here comes in the place here just behind the front. Okay, so these parts here are mainly reinforcements. These ones go into the boot on the sides. Reinforcements are on the seal area where the jacking point comes, so it's sort of a cover plate as well as has this reinforcement bridges over here. This part goes in to prevent flexing the metal when jacking up the car. So this is the reinforcement that goes into the driver's side boot panel, with this being the cover plate. Next up we have another wing mounting metal. This one is from the driver's side. Okay, so as you can see, this part comes up to the front headlight holder, and in the rear we're going to mount it with the A-pillar. The original seam is running through here. These reinforcements will be custom made, so it's going to be from the thicker material. This is the A-pillar cover plate from the driver's side. Again, this is where the door hinges go. This is where the door stopper goes. This is the inner portion of the A-pillar on the driver's side. Yep, driver's side. This is the assembly of the A-pillar, with this one going underneath into the inner side, and then this cover plate comes here where the door hinges are. This right here is the driver's side front floor metal. With the hole covered, it doesn't look so bad, does it? This here is the battery tray, Batteriekasten auf Deutsch. This one goes on the front driver's side. It also has a thread, so you can bolt in the attachment that holds down the battery. This one has been repaired on this car before, so the contours are not the same as original, so this is why I choose to buy this part, because I want the car to look as original as possible. Battery tray comes into this place here. We have an original hole here that holds the cable and the thread for the battery to be wrenched into the metal plate so it doesn't jump around. This here is the reinforcement crossbeam that goes into the trunk. This is the reinforcement that I've been talking about. It's mounted over here where the rear panel is and the boot floor.